Come on, Shiba Inu holder, what are you doing at this time? I will give you 100% guarantee to you never lost, and you will be take a very good profit if you watch this video. Because in this video we predicate this coin video technical analysis and what's the expert says about Shiba Inu. Can there is a chance so they will give you a profit or not? Everything we clearly discuss in this video. Remember, this is not a financial video. I just advise you research personally before you take any decision now, my brother. So this time the Shiba Inu prices dumps down from last one day, last 1 hour, last 7 days. All change occurred completely and the negative now. So what's the reason, my brother? So they will dumps down, and the rank has also come to 30, my brother. Oh my goodness, from top 10, from 11, my brother, so they will dumps down to 30. So that's a really bad news, my friend, for all of you. To this time the Shiba Inu price is dumps down. Let's check out, my friend, the update. I already update you, my brother. If we check out just in only, my friend, this time the last if we check out just in only the last 1 month chart, so we better understand and we completely predicate this coin. Now let's check out, my friend, this time every my friend. You can see here the coin is in the losting and very badly dumps down, my friend. You can see here after this dumps they will wake up and they will take a very huge jump now, but again they're dumps down. So every coin is moving in this circulation, my brother, especially in this month every coin will very badly dumps down. So at the end of month I hope, my brothers, they will give you a profit. So if you want to take a very good profit, so you need to hold and wait for the end of month. If you just only wait for the end of month, so I hope, my brother, they will give you a very good profit. But if you sell it in those days, so they cannot give you a profit, you are completely in the loss. So don't do any mistake. Just and only you need to hold and wait for the end of month. So what are you doing? Please kindly you need to hold and wait for the end of month. If you invest at the end of month, so I hope they will give you a profit. But if you invest in those days, the price is very badly cheap and absolutely they will very badly dumps down more and more. So don't invest in those days. Don't do this mistake. At the end of month if you invest, so they will give you a profit. So Shiba Inu holder, my personal opinion is that to please hold and wait for the end of month. What's your opinion? Tell me in the comment box, and thanks for watching. Please like this video and also subscribe this channel.